Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Xiaomi Redmi 13C. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now click install. And click open. Now you can click this button to skip introduction and then click open permissions and click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again. Now you can click start and here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.